a woman a while back that like her first round was like 44 or something like that. And then you guys like negotiated up to like 82 or something crazy like that. So like, how does that work? Like you guys just call for the client and say that they're such a cool person, they need more money than this or something, or how does that process work?
Well, our clients are cool. So
Right,
yeah,
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
we just call it. It's like, you know how cool these guys are.
Right.
But that's one of the things that we mentioned. But then some of the other things that we mentioned are their business metrics, their stats. You know what the client has going on, their report. If there's any detractors, we'll preemptively bring that up to the underwriter. We know how to speak to the underwriter, and you'd be surprised at how many times the underwriter simply needs to verify who the person is. With all the new regulations surrounding terrorism and fraud, they really, a lot of times, many times, maybe 30–40% of the time, it's just getting the right documents. Easy stuff. And then there's a percentage of the time where our knowledge really comes in handy, where we know what to ask for, how to talk to the underwriter, because we know exactly what they're looking for. We know exactly what they're looking for. So we're presenting it in such a way where we're exemplifying all the client's positive attributes while minimizing their negative attributes so that we can get approved for as much as possible. And so for the client that got the 40, then it doubled, it went up to 80. So when they first applied, multiple cards might have come in at $5,000, $10,000, $15,000. And then our negotiators are calling the bank, they're explaining the client's business model, and they're saying, we need more. And so over that period of time, that could add an additional week on. So they might have got the first 40,000 within the first week, but then they continue the negotiations, and the negotiations could spill over into week number 2, sometimes even week number 3, because our team is calling the bank and speaking to the underwriters up to 7 times on each credit account. And this is really critical because all of the big banks have multiple call centers. And what we can't get in one, usually we can call others and get. You know, the ones that are in different, this region are known for that, and the one in that region is known for this. And so what we do is we work tirelessly to get the client as much funding as possible through that negotiations process.